Hello dear students. Today I discuss chapter 8 again, but today is the explanation video. Okay, previously we are already get an ideas from the introduction videos, that is of chapter 8. I hope you all are seeing that video very properly and get the lot of ideas. So today we continue again the same chapter explanation. So everybody be attentions and watch the video up to the last, students. Okay, and at the last few question answer we need to discuss. So everybody be attention. See first, say students, see the page 60 of your book, and this is page number 61 of your textbook. So these two pages we discussed today. And say students, first of all, 17 May night. Okay students, 17 May night, after our long train journey, we reach Kottayam. See the timing, students, and we reach where, which place? Kottayam, and in night. So at night, they Omana reach Kottayam. Okay, Kottayam is a city in the Indian states of Kerala. So students, see here Kozhikode, where Sunil and his family get off, and from there Kottayam they will reach now. Omana is right now in Kottayam. So see students, Kottayam in a Indian map very properly. Okay, Valiamma house was not far from the stations, and we had to take two auto rickshaws to get there. Valiamma means what, students? As I earlier discussed, in Malayalam, whom we call Valiamma. Valiamma means mother, sisters. Okay. Now see that they are taking two auto rickshaws. Then I was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. After a long journey, she got tired, and she felt very sleepy, and she didn't want to eat anything, students. So I took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me up again. We got ready. Ready for what, students? Took our luggage and went to the bus stand. See the bus stand, students. Valiamma's family also came with us, and we were 10 peoples and had a lot of luggage too. So as they are 10 people, they had lot of luggage also. Okay, so Valiamma family also came with them, Omana. So the bus conductor came, and Appa bought ticket for all of us. Okay, Appa means what, students? Father. We managed to get seats. As it went along, the bus got very crowded. You will see the bus scene. A lot of crowd are there in bus. People were sharing the seats. Okay, students, see the bus picture, inside picture of a bus. We also had to share our seats. Right, students? See, all are sharing their seat and sit there. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off. After so much crowd inside the bus, see the conditions. My leg was steep. I could hardly stand. Concentrate here, students, very properly what they are saying. Uh, After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off. So as in the bus, inside the bus, there is a lot of crowd. So that's why she is happy. She is happy to get off from the bus. Okay, students. Now moving. Can you tell me, students, up to here, which mode of transport Omana used? Just guess it. Yes. So first of all, she used train, then two auto rickshaw she take, and then she take bus. I thought that we had finally reached Ammu Amma village, but no, our travel had not ended yet. Okay, students, so our travel had not ended yet. The bus had dropped us by the water side. Look, students, water side. Look, Amma pointed across the water. So this is the water sides, and Amma pointed across the water. That's where we have to go. But very big problem. How will we get there? I wondered. Just then I saw a boat coming. See, students, now she need to cross the river. So which mode of transport can you tell me she is used now? Water transport, obviously. Okay, so see, just then I saw a boat coming. This is what, students? Can you guess what is this, students? This is ferry. Amma said. Immediately, a big crowds of people started getting off. So see, have you seen ferry, students? In that, it's carry various passengers from one side of the river to other sides. And see, students, immediately a big crowd of people starting getting off. School children, man, women, all their own packets and luggage. See, so look at the map, students. Kerala is nearest to sea. Okay, in the map we observe that lot of places are near to sea, and Kottayam also there, you see in the map. So Amma explained that ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other sides. Yes, dear students, so ferry are used to cross water and reach the other sides. Okay. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from our side. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Okay, students. Very soon the ferry was full. It is started off again. So see the picture, students, very properly. I managed to get a place to stand along the railing. Railing is what, student? This is the boundary of the ferry. See the long boundary in the ferry where people stand, and students, see when the ferry move, okay, there is a rippling of the still water. What is the meaning of rippling? See, when sometimes when ferry moves, no, there is bubble like appearance. See, in the water, bubble like appearance, wave like appearance happens. Okay, if you go see like this, it shows the ripplings move. Okay, ripplings of the still water. Okay, students, it was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of the river. So as we are in Kerala and we are moving riding on the ferry, so we are seeing that there were rows of coconut trees. Okay, students, see the rows of coconut trees. A very wonderful picture, students. Everybody concentrate here. Very wonderful. And I could see so people fishing, washing, bathing and working along the banks. So see, so different views from ferry we see. So many beautiful views from the ferry, like show ripplings of still water as the ferry moved. You are observed in the picture. Rows of coconut trees on the banks of the river. Very, very important question, students. People washing, fishing, bathing along the banks. So what are the beautiful views you are observed from the ferry? So like that, students. Okay, now watch this video, students. Means of water transport. So I hope, student, you are watching video very nicely, and you know that water transport is very less expensive. It does not require whatever the large amount of money is spent to build that roads, rails, but it doesn't require for water. The only things we need is good waterways and good harbors. You see, student, submarine. Submarine can move both below and above the water. It is used for defense purposes. Okay, students. So I hope you get clear from this video water transport. Now moving to the next, students. Look at this picture, students. Order the number of rides. Okay, like what Omana took first and then seconds and then third and so on. So students, you guess it the answers very properly. When Omana reached Kottayam, so what was the means of transport she took first then second during her whole journey? Which transport she used? Do it, students. So get what will be the answer. So answer is, students, train, then two auto rickshaws, then she took bus, and then fourth is ferry. Yes, dear student. So I hope you clear all these ideas from this video. So moving to the next questions, students. Select the best options. The bus drop Omana at the side of. What will be the answer, students? First of all, options: the road, option B river, option C lake, and option D Ammu Amma village. So guess the answer, students. After seeing the video, I hope you give the answer very properly. Exactly, the correct answers will be option number B, a river. Okay, students. So next question, students, which of the following methods of transport was not used by Omana for reaching Ammu Amma place? Guess the students' answer. What will be the answer, students? Many of them easily know the answers. Yes, the correct answer is option number. Yes, various modes of transport, but which transport was not used? See the questions, not is written, not used by Omana for reach Ammu Amma place. So correct answer is option number C, aeroplane. Exactly, students. Very nice. Now see, students, one more questions. Given below are some events mentioned by Omana in her diary. Put them in the correct sequence by numbering them from 1 to 8. So what will be the answer, students? Students, just guess your answers. So whatever the sequence, correct sequence, when she start her journey and then reach to Kottayam. So the first one is we reach Kottayam in the night. Okay, students. The first sequence is we reach Kottayam in the night. Okay, students. Second is it was time for us to get up. Okay, students. So put the seconds. It was time for us to get off. Okay, students. So the next. So sequence by sequence in the order, perfect order, whatever whole story. Okay, in the sequence 1 2 and next one what will become, student? I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me up again. Okay, students. So third one is I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke up me again. Okay, student. So follow this sequence, and next sequence what will come, student? Just guess what will be the fourth number. So fourth number is as it went along the bus got very crowded. Okay, so fourth one is as it went along the bus got very crowded. So fourth one, can you guess fifth one, the students? Yes, if you know the today full video explanations properly you've seen, and you can give the answer very nicely. So see, the fifth one is, students, so fifth one is we also had to share our seats. Okay, so fourth one is as it is went long the bus got very crowded, and then fifth one is we also had to share our seats. So all story in a proper sequence. See, see whatever we have discussed today, student. Next, what will become? Six number is the bus had stopped as by the water side. See at the top, 6 number. Okay, the bus had dropped us by the water side. As I explained you, student, that see the bus has stopped us by the water side. Next one, 7 number. What will come, student? There is the ferry. Amma said. Okay. Now the last one, what will be the answer, student? Last one, obviously, everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Okay, students. So that's all for today, class, students. I hope you understood today class very well, and wait for the next part 2 videos of this same chapter. Okay, students, and watch video very properly, students. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.